Hello everyone, my name is Siti Nur Hidayat Tidasa. I would like to share my reflection on the activity in PC court game, which is futsal dribbling. During the activity, I practiced futsal dribbling, and at first it was a little challenging because I had to control the ball with my feet while moving. And then I realized that dribbling is not about kicking the ball, but is using a small touch to keep the ball close and under control. So through this activity, I learned that good dribbling requires focus, balance, and quick footwork. And also, I need to pay attention to both the ball and the space around me. And I need to control my body while moving and use the inside and outside of my feet effectively. At first, I sometimes lose control of the ball, but after practicing slowly and patiently, I improve and I very proud because finally I can move the ball smoothly around the cones without losing it. I also realized that in futsal, dribbling is very important skills because the space is small and player must keep the ball close to protect it from defenders. So moving forward, I would like to practice using both my left and right foot and aim to dribble faster while maintaining good control. As for the overall, the futsal dribbling activity helped me improve my footwork, thinking speed, and also confidence while in the activity. So here is the activity that the group conducted, which are circle pass dribbling, box wave dribbling, and lastly is cone goal dribbling. So I think that's all for my reflection on the activity. Thank you.